Good day, class. For our next lesson, let's make a new script. Okay, let's call it fraction. Okay, fraction. Okay. So before I teach you how will you make fractions or how will you print a fraction in MATLAB, first I will tell you first what's the use of toolboxes. Okay. Okay, let's bring back the tool strip. Let's go to home. Okay, so let's make it smaller. Then let's go back to add-ons. Then go to get add-ons. So inside add-ons or get add-ons, we have here what you called an add-on explorer window. And inside of this, are the toolboxes. Okay, toolboxes are the products of MathWorks, the distributor of MATLAB, distributor of MATLAB licenses. Okay, these are products like applications. Okay, that help engineers, researchers, scientists, and mathematicians to help them solve their problems or help them create their designs. Okay, this is the uh, this is the main advantage of MATLAB, the use of their toolboxes. Everything you need from robotics to chemistry to economics. Let's see if there is an economic toolbox here. Okay. Oh yes, there is an economics toolbox. Artificial intelligence. Let's try artificial intelligence. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yes, they have artificial intelligence toolboxes, and some of it are already installed in this MATLAB online. MATLAB online MATLAB online website. Some of these toolboxes cannot be installed in MATLAB online. You need the licensed software of MATLAB to install these toolboxes. So these toolboxes are like applications that may or may not assist you in solving your thesis problems, project problems. Okay, that is why MATLAB is useful. This is its main advantage. Okay, so our in our robotics one subject, I will introduce you to robotics toolbox. Okay, the coming days. This is the main toolbox we will use. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Okay, there are lots of robotics toolbox here, but not all of them can be installed in MATLAB online. Okay, what we will use here is the robotics toolbox for MATLAB by Peter Cork. Okay, this is a very popular toolbox for robotics created by engineer Peter Cork. And this is the perfect toolbox in learning robotics as a beginner. Okay. Another thing we will this toolbox, robotics toolbox by Peter Cork. This has a Python version that we will also use. Okay, when I teach you how to program a robot in Python. Okay, next. But for now, I will introduce you to symbolic math toolbox. Okay? Symbolic math toolbox is a toolbox used to perform symbolic math computations. So what are symbolic math? What are symbolic mathematics? Okay, symbolic mathematics are example, uh, the integral, okay, the integral calculus. The symbol for integral calculus, okay, integral symbol is this sign. Okay, what do you call this sign? Integral symbol. What does this mean? This means integration. Or what does this really mean? Okay, just integration. Okay, integral symbol, sign. Okay, so integral calculus, okay, that has symbols when you use them to solve for integrating something or integrating a function. In differential calculus, you have this dx over dt. Okay, when you use them to solve for functions of rate. Okay, these are examples of math that use symbols. That's why they are called symbolic math. Example also of symbolic math or symbolic mathematics are fractions, okay, radicals, imaginary numbers, exponents, summations, okay. Any math, any math you can think of that use symbols like summation, radicals, imaginary numbers, okay, they are called symbolic math. Okay. In programming, this kind of math doesn't exist. There are only logic, which is 1 and 0, arithmetic, and algebra. Okay, in math, in programming. Okay. Also, matrices, there are symbolic maths. The algebra, which uses the variables for polynomial multiplication, polynomial divisions, okay, polynomial factoring, okay, they are all symbolic math. Okay, in computer programming, we just have logic, 1 and 0, okay, arithmetic, and simple algebra. But because we are facing engineering problems, we need symbolic mathematics, okay, in solving difficult engineering problems. Here in MATLAB, the way we can compute symbolic mathematics is using the symbolic math toolbox. Okay. So now it's already installed. It is automatically installed in MATLAB online. We can already use it in our scripts. Okay, so let's make this larger. Okay, let's make this small. Okay, so now we will do a fraction. So example, we have a fraction 1 over 4 or 1/4. If we run this, the default answer or the default value is a decimal. Okay? To make this expression a real fraction in the command window, what we need is the syntax sim. Okay, SYM. Then close open parenthesis. Okay. So let's put some semicolon to 1/4 so that it will not mirror in the command window or the percent symbol to make it just a percent. Or 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Semicolon and, sorry. And let's put some comment. Okay, default decimal. Default decimal. Okay. Next. Let's put the 1/4 inside the close open parenthesis. Okay. Fraction. Then let's run it. F5. Okay, now it's a fraction. 1/4 or 1/4. But because we are writing fractions, okay, vertically, or the numerator is at the top of the denominator. So we can do that in MATLAB. How we can do that? By using the pretty syntax. Okay? What we will do, we will just put the variable answer because the answer is the default answer or the default variable for anything we run command window is answer. Okay, so we just put the answer, the variable answer here. Okay, to prettify. Okay, to prettify the fraction. Okay, so CLC. That's what we can make is okay. The answer don't let's us not erase or clear the workspace. Then let's run the program. Okay. So this is the fraction form from earlier. Then this is the prettified. Okay, prettified fraction form. Okay, of the fraction 1/4. Okay. Then what's good about MATLAB is you can copy this as a text and put it directly in a document in Word. Okay? Because of this, you can create mathematical expressions with symbols using MATLAB, then just copy paste it in Word. And the copied the copied symbolic math is in text form. Okay, it's not in image form. Okay, unlike other what you call that softwares or websites. Okay, they copy paste the mathematical expression as pictures. Okay, or images. But here in MATLAB, you can copy it and paste it as text. Okay. See what that is an advantage. Okay, of MATLAB. Okay. So let's make this again. Let's put some semicolons so it will not run. Or it will not mirror. It will not show in the command window for our next example. So let us have an example. Okay. Let's say y is equals to 1. Okay, let's say, okay, y is equals to 1/2 plus 3/5 minus 2/3. Okay. MATLAB understands that these are fractions. Okay. MATLAB will not do this. Will not do such thing as make this 2 plus 3. Okay, 1/2 plus 3, then over 5. No. because of the rule of arithmetic that division will come first and the fraction is like a division. So therefore, MATLAB understood that these are fractions. Okay? So if I run this, the answer will be decimal because it is the default answer in MATLAB. Okay? So to make these fractions, so let's put the sim syntax, then enclose the enclose the operation in a close open parenthesis. Okay? So if we run this, the answer should be fraction. Okay? Then if you want to prettify this, let's prettify. Prettify. Let's prettify y. Again, CLC. F5. Okay, a pretty fraction will be printed in the command window. Then you can copy it and put it in documents. Okay? In a Word document. Okay. What else? If you want, let's make this, let's put some semicolon and create a double percent and call this a operation example. Next, what else? So let's do CLC. Okay, let's try X. X is equals to sim, close open parenthesis. Now let's add decimal to a fraction. Okay. So what will be the final answer? Okay, the final answer should be fraction. So let's prettify it also. Pretty. Okay. To make it pretty. Okay. So let's press F5. Okay, so the answer is 73/15. Okay. So the answer will become fraction even though you add a fraction to a decimal. Okay. Now, if you want to to convert from a fraction to decimal, okay? Fraction to decimal. Oh, sorry. Decimal. You will need the syntax double. Okay? It close open parenthesis. So let's try to convert the let's convert the answer from x, okay, from the variable x. Okay. Then let's just CLC this. Then run. F5. Okay, now we have an answer of 4.8667 from. Okay, what's this? Why there is 73/15? Oh, I have here. Sorry. Let's CLC, then clear all. Okay. CLC. And let's run again. Okay. All of them should not be mirrored in the command window. Only double X. Okay, the decimal of 3.2 plus 5/3. Okay. Wait. Oh, I see. the prettified fractions will still be printed. Okay? The prettified functions are excluded from the function of semicolon. But that's fine. We just want to know the decimal of 73 over 15. So let's see from our calculator if the 73 divided by 15 is equals to, okay, this is 4.86667. Okay, but in MATLAB, the default decimal place is only 4. Okay, so here in MATLAB, we can change the format of decimals using the format long. Okay, format long, format space long. Okay, CLC. Let's run it again, F5. Now, the answer has a long decimal answer. Okay, so this is for long decimal. Long decimal. For short decimal, okay, I will just make it a comment. Format short. Okay, for short decimal. Okay. So, this is how you will convert from decimal to fraction or fraction to decimal. Okay.